the mystery behind the tenderness of goldfish flesh, a microscopic exploration that will change the way you see fish. Amidst the soft, translucent white flesh, there's a large red stripe. It stretches from head to tail. What exactly is this red stripe? And why is the surrounding flesh so translucent and moist? From there, we'll embark on a journey into the secrets of carp meat. Get ready. Part 1. The mystery of the red line, the highway of fish life. In the center, there's a large red line, as we saw at the beginning of the video. That's the lateral line, scientifically called the lateral line. Within that red line are lined with supersensitive nerve cells that can detect even the slightest vibrations in the water. A small worm falling to the surface, or the movement of another fish's fin approaching, all feel like sound waves that are immediately interpreted by the fish's brain. So why is it red? Because along this lateral line are blood vessels and myoglobin. Myoglobin is a protein that stores oxygen in muscles. The more actively a muscle works, the more myoglobin it has, and the redder it becomes. Part 2. The miracle of clear white meat. Why is it so soft? Look at the surrounding flesh. It's translucent white at the beginning of the video and moist. The first secret is water content. More than 76% of carp meat is water. The second secret is that white muscle doesn't require much oxygen, so it doesn't need to store myoglobin. The third secret is that the fibers are short and separated by very thin connective tissue. Part 3. Magic wave patterns when removing the skin. Take a close look at the surface of the meat, which has a wavy or zigzag pattern. In anatomy, these are called myotomes, which are neatly arranged W-shaped muscle blocks. Each muscle block is enclosed by thin sheets called myosepta. If you've ever seen a goldfish swimming with its wriggling body movements, that's the collaboration of thousands of myotomes and myosepta. Part 4. Adventures with a microscope, the hidden world. We have admired the beauty of goldfish with the naked eye. Now we go deeper. Prepare yourself. What we will find may be beyond your expectations. Part 5. Perfect spheres, the fish's energy factory. Between the meat fibers, numerous perfectly shaped spheres are visible. These are fat droplets, or in scientific terms, lipid droplets. These are the fish's reserve energy stores. Each droplet is a storage unit for oil and fat, enclosed by a thin membrane. When food is abundant, the fish stores its excess energy in the form of these oil droplets, depositing it directly between the muscle fibers. Part 6. The color palette in flesh, the secret code of life. Under the microscope, goldfish flesh has patches of pale brown, dark brown, pale red, and translucent white. This is a map of the fish's cellular life. The first, pale red, is a trace of myoglobin, indicating where the muscles still store oxygen. The second, a gradation of pale brown to dark brown, is a pigment called melanin. The thickness of melanin is determined by genetics, age, and the environment. The third, translucent white area is the cytoplasm of muscle cells, which is purely protein and water. Part 7. Oddly shaped water drops, the liquid life between cells. We've probably seen some sort of clear water droplet, but it looks like a puddle. This is what's called extracellular fluid, between muscle cells. There's empty space filled with water, minerals, and dissolved proteins. This fluid is a river of life that flows between cells, delivering nutrients and removing waste. Part 8. Silver shine and black spot, a confusing color puzzle. There are silver spots and black spots and lines nearby. This silver sheen is a natural crystal called guano, a light-reflecting pigment, left over from the deeper layers of skin that sometimes stick together. And the black spots and lines? They are a collection of melanin forming a pattern. This pattern of spots and lines is a kind of biological fingerprint. Part 9. Breaking through the shadows, a world of gray when the lights are dimmed. Light and dark gray spots appear when the microscope light is dimmed. Fish flesh consists of two different densities. The denser, more elastic connective tissue, the collagen-rich myosepta, absorbs more light, giving it a dark gray appearance. Meanwhile, muscle fibers, filled with water and protein, tend to transmit light, giving them a lighter gray appearance. Part 10. Thin network around the red line, nerve highway protector. This network consists of fascia and a network of capillaries. Vital organs are encased in interlocking layers of fascia, forming a rock-like structure. It acts as a protective cushion against impact and as a pipeline for thousands of blood capillaries that feed the busy nerves. Part 11. The bumpy ground on the surface of the flesh, the hills and valleys of muscle. The surface of the meat is like uneven ground, with bumps of varying sizes and shapes. Why isn't it smooth? Because fish meat is a collection of muscle fiber bundles. Large bumps represent cross-sections of a single large muscle bundle, while depressions represent the spaces between the bundles. Thank you for delving into the mysteries of goldfish flesh with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this miracle with people around you. See you on the next microscopic exploration. And remember, behind every simple thing, there's always complexity waiting to be revealed. May this journey broaden our horizons,